All right, real quick, I just wanted to go through the explanation of what the lesson was. Since you guys don't have your books and stuff at home, I'm not going to walk you through a whole lesson because that I'm not going to make you sit through, 30, 40 minutes of something that you can't even do. So I just wanted to show you like a few examples of what we're actually doing in 2.6, and it's multiplying with the expanded form. So you guys know how to do expanded form. So for example, let's say we had 4 times 325. That's going to be hard to multiply, so we want to break this number up. So the 4 is going to stay the same, and we're going to break 325 into 300 plus 20 plus 5. Now we have to use distributive property, which remember, that's the giving property to give it to each of these. So we're turning this problem into 4 times 300 plus 4 times 20 plus 4 times 5. So we gave it to each one of these, and you know how to solve these already. 4 times 3 is 12, add your 2 zeros. So that one's done. Plus 4 times 2 is 8, add your 1 0. That one's done. And 4 times 5 is 20. We put these together, 80 and 20 make 100. Then we have 1200 plus 100 equals 1300. So that's all we're going to be doing this out throughout this whole lesson. Now, on your practice homework, you're going to make a expression. An expression, guys, does not have an equal sign. So for your first problem, for example, let's say it's 5 times 491. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to break 491 up in expanded form. So for example, you do the hundreds first. So you break 491 up, it'd be 5 times 400, 5 times 90, and 5 times 1. 491. You don't even have to solve it for an expression, okay? This is just an expression. You don't have to solve it. Equation, you do. Equation has equal in it, okay? So expression, you just have to make this up. And if we would do one more, let's try one more. We could even do 9 times 2,417. Instead of multiplying, one by one, we can break it up. It would be 9 times, this 2 stands for 2,000. Put it in parentheses, plus, parentheses, 9 times 400, because that's this, parentheses, plus 9 times 10, which is this, plus 9 times 7. So you created an expression. You broke this number up into smaller pieces to multiply, and then you add together. Very simple. Very simple. Hopefully that doesn't sound too confusing. On your practice homework should be no problem. While you're going to watch for a second, I want to go ahead explain yesterday's lesson since all you guys missed it. It's multiplying using partial products and distributive property. So it's kind of like what we're doing, but a little bit simpler. Let's say we have 8 times 17. That's hard to map off right off. So we're going to draw a bar model. We're going to use this number right here. And we're going to break 17 up. And the best way to break 17 up into two numbers is what plus what makes 17? Super easy. 10 plus 7. So our new equation is we got to give the 8 to the 10 and the 8 to the 7. So it's 8 times 10 plus 8 times 7. And we know 8 times 10 is 80. Put it in the big box with 8 times 10. And we know 8 times 7 is 56. So we have 80 plus 56, which is going to give us 136. And if we even do a bigger number, let's do like 4 times 87. Let's draw our model. We put our 4 here. We break 80 into 80 and 7. So our new problem is 4 times 80 plus 4 times 7, and put those in parentheses. We know 4 times 8 is 32, add your 1 0, plus 4 times 7 is 28, which is 348. Now, I know you guys are missing most of the lesson, but I will excuse you guys for that. I just wanted you guys to kind of be up to date. This is a real short video. Just go through and watch it. If you want, if you have a piece of paper or something, try some practice problems. Have your parents sit down with you and give you problems. I'll even give you 3 from yesterday. You can do these 2. Let's do 5 times 24 and do 7 times 76. That's from yesterday. Try those on a piece of paper, see if you guys can break it apart. And 3 and 4 would be for today. You got to use expanded form. Try 8 times 277 and 3 times 184. So that's for today. So try these with your parents or by yourself, and see if you can get those right. And if you can, we're in good shape. All right. You guys have a good one.